Hi guys, it's Tegan, and today I'm going to be making a slime smoothie. So I already put a little bit of slime in here because it was all the same kind of colour with foam beads in and stuff, but now I'm going to be adding all different colours, so yeah.
This one? No. I'm just sorting out these slimes for her.
Yeah, she's giving me all the different slimes, so I don't know what one she's giving me, but I have to double check that she doesn't give me any that I like, so.
Okay.
So I've got a big white blob, not going to be white anymore, but let's mix it in. This is like really kind of stiff and hard, but it's making a really nice slime, so kind of. Okay, so do you want to pass me the next one? I'm not even meant to be mixing this in, you know.
Yeah, don't mix them yet.
Silly.
Okay. I don't got to be quick.
Brown. This is like a brownie galaxy kind of one. I'm just going to play with them until it's time to mix it all.
Okay, next is this one.
Pass it to my hands. Okay, so I got a really sticky, kind of chocolatey brown.
It got on my leg.
Uh-oh, I think that's on my face.
What are you doing? Fixing it.
Okay, now I'm gonna add a
Hey, I'm the slime part.
really sticky orange one. It's really orange. It won't look the same colour as orange because I've got a red light in the back that's just gone off. Now it looks orangey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wonderful. What are you doing?
Fixing some slime.
Okay, Mia's just made a huge mess.
No, I haven't.
By trying to fix a slime. Okay, so I'm going to plop this one in. If it ever comes off me. So,
This one next. It's this one next.
no, stop fixing them. They need to be way out of the bed.
Oh!
Okay, so this is like a nice pearly kind of blue. If you can see that, kind of pearls. Hang on a second.
I'm gonna fix them so.
Okay, so here's some of the slimes that I'm adding in.
Oh my gosh.
How stupid can I be sometimes? Oh gosh. Okay, so there's a massive like gulf of slime on the floor now that I'm just gonna have to add into this because like I'm not just gonna add it back in considering that it's white, so ugh. That was like a really jiggly one that I made with Airwick. So it was just like really jiggly. And now it's made these slimes really jiggly.
Look, I fixed this one. So nice.
Okay, so now I'm going to be adding a maroony pink. It's a really nice like texture sort of thing.
So
If somebody could stop fixing
them for you.
No. Because it's like they're not what they actually are in the thing.
What colours?
No more. No more. I'm going to try and attempt to make
Okay,
a nice
but when they're all
slime
in,
swirl.
can I squirt shaving foam in there so they fix?
No. Not until it's all mixed up.
Can I drop this one in then?
Whoa. That was louder than what I expected.
Can I drop this one in?
I don't know whether to do this one or not. It's a really nice green.
Do it, do it, do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. But if you guys were to dare me, just comment it down below in the comments.
It's a very horrible breed.
I really hate mixing up all my slimes because like all my good ones kind of have to go. But
I'm gonna see
today
if
I can keep some of them.
I'm gonna see if I can get this in the basket.
By the way, guys, go to my Instagram post at the Jacob Sisters or Slimes by Teagan, and there should be a Starbucks slime on there.
Or Me Amazing Slime. Hashtag Me Amazing Slime is awesome. I'm gonna chuck this in the basket.
This is a really nice one. Okay, let's see if you can get it in. It's so close. Oh, it's on my sock. Oh. Why have I got so many brown slimes?
It's glitter.
I'm just going to keep a little bit of this one.
Okay, I'm going to see if I can chuck this one in, okay?
By the way, guys, I have a really nice cloud slime, but I'm not adding that in. No way, Jose.
It's cool.
There is no way that I'm adding my cloud slime in.
Can I add this one in?
Yeah, of course you can. I don't like that one.
So I chuck it?
Huh?
Can I chuck it?
Okay. So guys, this is coming along kind of good, if you can see. Just all different colours mixing up in there.
This one's next.
No. No way. Okay, so that's...
I'll pass them to you. I'll pass them.
Okay, so now I have like a whole bunch of slimes that I need to add in.
Chuck this in, okay?
So, okay, go on in. Oh my god. No, not that one.
Why?
Because I don't want to mix that one into. This one's kind of overactivated, but it shouldn't ruin this at all.
And then this purplish one.
Try not to add any clear ones. By the way, guys, my next video will be I've got about 5 or 6 clear slimes, maybe 4 that I'm going to mix in together, because I want to see what the colour turns out like, but I just don't want to mix them in with like
This one?
different colours. Oh yeah, okay.
This nice blue one.
This is a really nice purple one here. We did it at the same time. I've got like so many of the same colour slimes, it just makes the slime really boring. I need to start making different colours.
It's because she made so much of one. Yep, definitely this one.
By the way, guys, if you're watching this video, or if you're going to watch this video, I am going to Kempton Market tomorrow.
No,
So I might be selling some of my slimes, and they're really good, so you can come and get some. So, yeah.
Comment down below if you like slimes, like orangey.
Look, my fingers are going different colours.
I'm going to Captain Market with Mum.
This one's an avalanche slime. Oh my god, it's really good.
And then I'm going to put in this purple slime.
This one's like really, really sticky. Oh my gosh.
And then, whoa.
Oh gosh, Mia. Oh my god, this one's like really, really, really pearly. Oh, that really hurt. I just hit my finger on the tub and it's like really sore now.
This blue slime.
Just gone.
Can I add in this avalanche?
So yeah, I might have some of my slimes at Kempton Market tomorrow. So if any of you are watching this and you're going there tomorrow,
Yeah, but what if they watch this in 2 weeks?
then that's their problem.
I'm going to pour this in, like...
This one has like loads of clumps in it. Ugh.
I'm going to put it in your hair.
No. Don't you
I
dare.
see you comb your hair. Give me that grin.
Whoa, this one's a really nice one.
It's not all coming out.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Speed attack. I've just got like literally tons and tons. Oh, this one's really sticky and liquidy. Ugh.
This one? Because it's horrible.
No.
also another purple one. I'm going to add one of these ones in.
By the way, guys, I tried making a wood glue slime and it didn't work for me. Comment down below if it works for you because I'm like really confused. I'm going to add this one in.
No, okay, fine.
There's a watermelon slime. Watermelon! Die! Ow! I keep hitting my fingers. Okay, should we add more of these? Okay, let's add a few more. I won't add too many because it just like will take away the colour. I don't know why I literally have so many brownie slimes. By the way, guys, this slime, this slime that I'm adding loads of in right now was a slime smoothie. It was loads of my other slimes mixed in together.
I think I have a slime.
Yeah, like literally loads of them mixed in together.
Do you want to add some?
Oh, Mia, there's some slimes in there, in that green tub. That one's mine. The one in the green tub is mine as well. So, okay, quick. Let me try and catch it. Okay, this one has dice in it.
Some gold leaf?
Yeah, go on. I should have added that in last. Pass the white slime here. Yeah, there is, in the green tub. I need to see if it's good enough to go in here. Oh my gosh. This is like... No, stop, because I want to get all the stickiness off my hands.
This slime?
Yeah. Just see if it's sticky. Oh no, that's my good one. I'm going to keep that one.
No. No, this is mine.
No, it's
I
not.
added glitter to it.
Yeah, you added glitter to it. It's my slime.
It's mine.
Okay, pass it.
No, it's mine.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Come on, pass it.
No, it's mine. Yeah, it just went on my lip. Okay, only if I can chuck it in there.
Okay, go on then. No! Oh my god, this is actually such a good slime. I'm getting this out. This is such a good slime. I'm going to try and keep as much of this as I can.
Also some bubblegum scent.
No, that's it.
There you go.
Hang on a second, guys.
Whose slime is this?
Mine. No, not that one. I made this one with Elmer's glue, by the way. And that white slime that my sister just added in was Elmer's glue.
I might find some more slime.
This one's like really bubbly. It was really nice.
You might try to add some PVA glue.
No.
There you go. Ooh, slime.
If it's clear, then no, because I'll add that in the clear video. No, don't. Oh my gosh.
Sticky.
I hate it when PVA glue dries on the lid.
You might want to add some Starbucks cups.
No.
Some nails.
Yeah, there should be like 100 more clear glues.
Some
Clear
nail
slimes.
varnish?
No, there should be like 100 more clear slimes in there. Okay, so I'm going to mix this one up. I'm going to add some shaving foam. Okay, ready? Okay, so this is what I'm mixing together. Okay, guys, comment down below what colour you think it will be. And yeah, so let's get mixing. Oh my god, I got so many good slimes in here.
Hey, I got some more ingredients for you.
Don't.
Here.
No. Oh, what the heck is in there?
Open it and add it in. Some ingredients.
I got some Mod Mods. I've got my sister's Mod Mods in there.
What? And also a photo of Teagan, so you can remember this time.
This is really like heavy because I've got so many
Yeah.
different slimes in here.
You want to share?
No thanks. Oh,
What else do you want? A hairband? A Fitbit watch?
no.
Do you want? Some hairspray?
No thanks. Don't you dare.
You want
Oh, here's a Mod Mod. I found them. I found one.
binoculars?
No thanks.
Do you want some?
Okay, I'm going to try and find all of the different Mod Modges in here. And see if I can see what they are. Okay, so this one is a pig. A see-through pig.
Okay, guys, this is Teagan here, and she wrote her own book called Terrified by Teagan Jacobs, and it's published, and it has so many, and this is the back, and that's me, and that's Teagan, and that's Kimmy. So yeah, she wrote her own book.
Okay, so I found a pig. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. And I'm going to find the next Mod Modge. I found one. I just keep finding them straight
Do you
away.
want some keys?
Mia! That's my keys.
Do you want some mealworms?
Yeah, go on.
You want a squishy?
Away come your...
You want these?
No. I also found a squishy in here, guys. That Mia just chucked in.
A Roblox character?
Ow! Okay, so I just got
An
a...
orange?
Stop. A pink polar bear who's kind of not pink anymore. I got enough. Ow! Stop.
Miss.
No, seriously, stop.
Ow. Whoa. Balloons?
No. Oh my god, this one has been dyed a different colour. Okay, so I've got a
Do you want a cup of tea?
another polar bear who's a kind of lucky kind of thing. I need to add a little bit.
No, you need some gold leaf.
Dun 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 dun. I won! What did I win?
100 pennies.
What the heck? I got a white polar bear.
Oh, that was my favourite.
Okay, I'm just going to carry on mixing this up now. Let's see if I can take it all out. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh.
Do you want a pencil? Do you want a pencil?
No thanks. I've also got some instant snow in here. Although, unfortunately, it isn't cloud slime.
Oh, do you want a Starbucks drink?
Okay, so pass it.
Wait, I want to add it.
So this is the Starbucks drink that I was telling you about on my Instagram account. I might as well just
Shaving
add it into
foam.
this.
Slime. It's not all coming out. Okay, there we go. Some brown slime that I'm going to go with Tegan's face in. And then also going to go BAM!
Okay, so now I have a big, massive, fluffy
No!
brown slime in.
Do you want this one?
No!
Why?
I told you, not my Elmer's glue one.
Who like Elmer's glue?
It's the best. It makes your slimes like really thick, and you don't really have to add Dacio clay because like it makes it feel like it's already got it in where it's not thick.
I'm going to the shops to get Daisy. Okay, bye.
Oh, I got a pink like see-through rabbit. So cute. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix all the rest of this in. Okay, I'm gonna try and get all of the shaving foam in.
The shops had no Daisy clay.
Oh, you was very quick. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go check out my Instagram accounts.
Wait, I found another slime.
And hold on a second.
This one.
No, that's gonna be clear. Okay, so don't forget to go and check out my next videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.